Head table. 12 and under, weight class 140.
Yep, there you go. There you go. Come on, Jake. Let's go. Get behind. Did he say let's go, Lucas?
Yes.
Turn it! Come on, Lucas. Get your head out, crew.
Get your head out, Jake!
Keep going, Jake. Keep going.
You gotta move, Lucas.
That's it.
Come on, Jake!
You gotta go, Luke. You gotta go. Quick.
Get off your knee. What are you doing?
There you go.
I'm trying to be fancy.
Stay in front. Stay in front. Move.
Turn
Jake,
it.
you moved the other way.
Keep fighting. That's it, Jake. Keep fighting.
Keep fighting, Jake!
Quick, crew, quick.
Get off of your knee.
That's it. Pull it in.
Short. It's the second time today. Oh, it's eye. It's the second time, the same eye. Blake Beasley just poked him in it 5 minutes ago.
Keep it up.
I didn't see someone. Oh, gosh. It's 0-0-0. Wow.
All right, Jake.
Come on, Jake!
That's it. Pull it in. Go. Go.
Go, Jake!
That's it, Jake. All right, break it down now. Break it down. That's it. Nice counter. Nice counter, Jake. Nice.
Keep riding. You gotta keep riding.
Break him down, Jacob.
Break it down.
Yeah. You gotta break him down, crew.
Is this the second round? First round?
First one.
Now this is the second round.
Yeah. It's 2-0, right?
Yes.
Sit down, little ballsy boy.
That's it, go.
Get out, Jake! Get out! Keep moving!
Keep moving, crew.
Keep moving!
Keep moving.
Keep moving, Jake! Keep moving, Jake!
Fighting. That's it.
Keep moving, Jake! Get out, Jake! Get out!
Come on, crew.
Keep fighting, Jake.
Go, go, go.
That's it.
Keep going, keep going.
Fighting. That's it.
12 and under, weight class 60 to 65.
Keep going, Jake.
Foul, love, and
He's trying to hook it. Let's go.
Keep fighting, Jake. That's it.
There you go.
Put your head out, Jake! Put your head out!
All right, Jake.
Lucas.
Take him down.
Now he's gonna cry. Really? Unfucking believable. Sorry.
All right, Jake.
Come on! I'm mad at him for crying, not for losing. Gotta be quick! Break him down, Jake! Yeah.
Break him down, Jake!
number 5. Dean Powell report to the head table. Dean Powell report to the head table.
That was good.
Yeah. Good match, boys.
Great match. And Don's going to be mad at me because I didn't tape the end.
Way to go, guys!
And not because I got mad because he was behind. I got mad because he cried. And that annoys the hell out of me. And I don't